Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. We're going to do a walk around of our newest arrival. It's been in our shop for about the last 6 months. If you've been watching any of Chris Jr.'s Horsepower Warehouse videos, you've seen this vehicle in our shop. It's just came out of a comprehensive headlight to tail light restoration. We went through everything on the car to our specs. Everything is right on the car. This is a pretty special car. It's a numbers matching 365 horse solid lifter, 64 saddle tan with saddle tan interior coupe. Now, stunning color. It is very unique. They only did the saddle tan 63 and 64. Then the color was eliminated. But let's get into the car and walk around the car. So let's start at the front, where everybody wants to see. Headlights. Paint on the car is perfect. It has no blemishes. You've got no cracking in the corners. Hood fitment on this car is exceptional. The hood gaps and all that are amazing. There are no paint boo-boos. None. No chips, no scratches. All the door fitment is excellent. The lips of the fender wells are not shaved. All the original glass to the car. Chrome is perfect on the car. Look at the bumpers. You can see the courtesy lamps come on as they should. Excuse me, as they should. Door jambs are clean and detailed. Door sills, no rust in the bird cage, as they say. That's one of the nicest ones we've seen. There's your door jamb on the driver's side. 46,000 actual miles. Factory shifter. Look how nice all that is. All new carpet, all new sound deadener underneath the carpet, done by us. Again, if you're watching this car, go to horsepowerwarehouse.com and you'll be able to see this car going through our process. Knockoff wheels. Now, you know 64s never had a side exhaust. Never, not on any of the cars. You could add it, but it wasn't factory. Again, there's your inside. Clock even works on the car. Glove box is perfect. The dash is, there's no cracks. It's very nice. Let's go ahead and take it up. Now, if you're watching my video, guys, we offer financing on all of our cars. You can go to my website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Shipping. Kayla in our office. Give us a call at the 941-355-1955. Kayla can arrange shipping for you anywhere in the world. We're going to get you the best rates. We are not a broker. Kayla has been with our company 10 years now, and she does all of our shipping for all of our cars in and out. So she's shipping 500 plus cars a year, and she's your concierge service to do that. So shipping is, we streamline that and make it easy. If you want to come in and take a look at this car, you're more than absolutely welcome to, or hire an inspector. Bang. Okay, so let's get her up. There we go. Now look how nice all that is. All the lower control arms are all new, powder coated, bushings, shocks, springs, correct 2.5-inch exhaust, running its correct oil filter canister. It has the correct splash shields as it should on the side. Now you can see the frame on this thing. This is one of the nicest. Look at that. Look at this frame. No pits, no dents. It's shiny black. The floors are raw fiberglass. It is a numbers matching transmission. No damage to the floors. You can see the rear shocks are new. The rear emergency brake cables are new. The rear spring is new. The spring bushings are new. The brake shoes and cylinders are new. Original raw fiberglass on the spare tub. I want to bust my head here. You see the rear valance. None of that is chipped or cracked. Underneath the bumpers, you can see all the hardware, correct mounting hardware, stainless steel tips. All right, so let's see if we got air here. And that's lower down. And I apologize for making this a lengthy video, but I know you all like to see everything. So I like to try to show everything in one shot. I don't edit my videos. I don't have confetti, pops and bangs, and Guns N' Roses music playing in the background, and there's no fluff. It's the real deal. It's raw video. I'll never touch the button off on this camera to not show you something I don't want you to see. A lot of Steven Spielberg shit going on out there, and that's not what we do. I'm gonna lower it down. I'm gonna start it for you. Now, have you been watching any our stuff? Chris Jr. has been the one that went through this car here at our service center over here, Horsepower Warehouse. Just to show you some of the stuff that's in progress. Our 67, 427, 435 horse car. How's it coming, Candy?
Good. How you doing?
Good. You're on film. You love these videos.
Hello, Sarasota.
Yeah. Hello, Sarasota and beyond.
Sunny Sarasota.
Sunny Sarasota. So here's our 67. That 64 went through a similar process. Same thing. Carpet out, Duramet underneath there. That's Sean, right? Yeah, Sean. I got him, Sean. Yeah. Little shot at some of our other stuff we're doing here. 65. Just started on it. Our 64 or 63 body off. There's our superstar. There's Chris Jr. He loves this stuff. Yep, he loves if you've watched his channel, Horsepower Warehouse. If you haven't watched his channel, go to it. It's a separate channel. It's not a sales pitch. Junior does a great job, and there's a little bit of stuff that we're doing. The black car just got back from paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. This is gonna be a kind of a lengthy video, and I apologize, but a lot of times people want to see what all we're doing here. We also have an Air 64 automatic, so that one's coming up next. The 64 Air Coupe automatic, that's the next one on the video process. Now, this little 365 horse saw lifter car, this thing will whip the ass of most big block 390 horse cars, and I think the 425s are pretty darn close. But lights on. No, it's cold. Now these are solid lifter, mechanical adjusted engines. So it just came out of our service department. We've had it all the way down to the short block, all the way back up, all the manifolds dressed, all the ignition shielding in place. It's a 365 correct balance pulley, high performance fan, high performance alternator, correct intake, correct carburetor, correct air breather, power brake car. Now it's cold, so it's on high idle like it should be. There we go. She's down at idle. Listen to the exhaust. Got that hippity hop, hippity hop. Headlights rolled. Let me shut the hood here. Roll the headlights all the way up. Now when any of you guys that are watching these videos, if you're going to roll the headlights, always roll the headlights with the lights off, because there's a voltage drop. The motors are running on the same circuit, so if you're doing headlight rolls, always shut your headlights off before you roll your lights. And the reason is you want to try to give the headlight motors the power to roll back. You know what I mean? So you always want to do that. Horn works, and I'm sure the wipers work. I'll do it one time for you. That's really about it. We'll let it warm up here a little bit. I really hate to shut them off right away. Let them spool it up. There we go. So she's warm now. And that's what a correct solid lifter 365. This baby will shit and get. 373 posi rear. Hopefully this answers your questions. Great car. This car will not last long. It will not last long. The C2 market is on fire. Got my turn signal on, show you the blinks. Everything works. Tag light, all the lights work, radio works. Radial tires on the knockoff wheels. And turn signals off. Horn. I think I got it. Guys, I try to just ad-lib my video for you and show you everything you want to see. The great car. Don't miss this one. I don't think in any recent memory I've had a 365 horse 64 saddle tin. Very, 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 very rare. Next one on the block is the 64 power steering, power brake, automatic factory air car. Completely different animal, but both 64s, both great cars. Thanks for watching our video. If you have watched this video, again, go to the YouTube channel called Horsepower Warehouse. That's Chris Jr. You'll see this car in progress. Thanks for watching.